Alright, this is my Wolfram audio C-2400.1. About to do an unboxing. I have to turn it around. That might be the right one. Got a tape. Oh yeah, there go the wattage. On the back, RMS power. Give me a second. I gotta cut a box open. Alright, so I got it open. This is how it came packed. It's supposed to come yesterday, but it was a holiday, so it was Dr. Martin Luther King Day, so it came today. So that's how it looks on the inside. Packaging. So it was packed. Let me grab the instructions down these others there. There goes some Allen wrenches for adjustment. And go to base knob. And go to cable for the base knob. And then this is the base knob. It's on the other side. So there's a power indicator and a clipping indicator on it. Power, clipping, and it's metal. This is the owner's manual, but you already saw the wattage on the back, so the manual is for 2400.1 and a 90.4. It's the same manual. Hold on one second. So this is the back of it. I still got it in the plastic. I'm gonna leave it in there because I don't want to take it out yet. There's some really nice Allen wrench setup. Ground positive remote. Speaker terminals on this side. And then on the other side, you got your RCA, power gain, subsonic bass boost, remote low pass filter, and this is your output, or if you want to connect connect two together for a slave, and it can that's how you adjust it. There's the adjustment right there too. Well, it's the Wolfram C-2400.1. Can't wait to try it out.